Do you really want to speak from day one? Are you frustrated and don't know how to start? Well then, you should think about your sentence structure. Hello you guys and welcome to another video in my channel. In today's video, I will help you understand sentence basics to help you learn how to speak from day one. And this video is part of our video series on how to enhance your writing and help you in speaking. Do your sentences sound something similar to this? I am wake up in 7 every day. Or it is a house lovely. I am go to it always. Well then, let me tell you that your sentences are not grammatically correct or they are not ordered in the right way. Firstly, because you are translating in your brain from your first language, which is absolutely fine, but also because you are not trained enough with writing correct sentences. And secondly, because your brain is not trained enough with writing. So in this video, I am going to start first with giving you some steps to follow to enhance your writing. And in the second part, I will tell you how this will help you with speaking. So let's start. Okay, so I want you to think about your sentences in the following way. Okay, so I call them the normal way, but it is what we call simple sentences. For example, I am a teacher. Or, I am an amazing teacher. He is cool. He is cool and awesome. So as you notice from these sentences, they are very simple, very basic. They only have a helping verb and a noun and a subject. Now your task is to grab your notebook and write 5 similar sentences that would include I am, he is, or she is. Okay, I called them the classy sentences just because they are longer and more ordered. For example, I'm a teacher and I'm awesome. I'm an amazing teacher, but I don't like teaching. He is cool and awesome, so I like him. Okay, so these are what we call compound sentences. And you noticed I used and, I used but, I used so, and we call them compound because we joined 2 sentences together using what we call the fanboys. Okay, now your second task is get back to your first 5 sentences and add new parts to them. Okay, I call these sentences fancy sentences just because they are complex sentences. And to me, anything complex is considered super fancy. For example, I am an amazing teacher because I work hard. Or, he is cool and amazing, although he acts stupid sometimes. Okay, now notice that these sentences are a bit different from the first ones in that we use different words to connect the simple sentences, and if we drop one part of the sentence with using this word, it will be missing a meaning. And these are words that would make your complex sentences miss a meaning or complete in a meaning. For example, if I say he is cool and awesome although, and I stop, this means my sentence needs something to complete it. Okay, now your third task is to grab your sentences and play around with them with adding because and although. And be careful, don't say I am teacher amazing. Okay, now how is this connected to speaking and how is it going to help me speak from day one? Number one, I want you to repeat your sentences out loud as much as possible, and this is going to give you a push to speak from day one. And number two, if you ever have to talk to someone in English, always think with yourself, am I talking in the normal way? Am I talking in the classy way? Or am I talking in the fancy way? And pay attention to how you order your sentences, and you don't just rely on how you translate in your brain from the first language. And that's it, you guys, for this video. I hope you found it useful, and see you in my next video. Goodbye.